I was reading the Q2 State of AI report by Artificial Analysis, and there's a section about demand for AI coding tools. You had GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude Code, and then a few others, and then your company, Continue. So you're building one of the fastest growing AI coding tools in the market. There's a growing debate about open source versus proprietary models. Where do you stand?
I think both of them have different value, right? Depending on the use case, right? The nice thing about Continue is you can use open models, you can use proprietary, you can use both of them at the same time. Something often people don't know is AI code assistants are generally actually multiple models depending on kind of the part of the AI code assistant. And so you can kind of mix and match, right? And so for us, we're also open source. And so we love kind of open models, open weights, open source models, but we also love the proprietary ones because it's like 3 clicks often and you can just get set up and get going and have the best. Open weights, that said, have an advantage in many ways that the other models don't have, right? Where maybe in some cases it's harder to actually go about setting them up. But the nice thing about the open weights models, you have greater portability, right? You can run them anywhere, whether that's kind of renting some AWS GPUs or having your own data center or using something like Together or Grok, right? You also have accountability with the open weights models. If you look at a lot of the Chinese labs, they're learning a ton from each other and distilling each other and using kind of data generated by the other models to make theirs better. But at the moment, the best models are the frontier models. They're often the easiest to get started with. And so I think the future is a mix, right? I don't believe in a single model to rule them all. I think it's definitely a multi-model future, many models that you will use in different contexts.